Hello, so this is Gokul Korgaonkar and I am a student of Ajinkya D.R. Patel University and I am pursuing my degree in BCS CTS third year. So today I am going to present my internship or you could say a job review on data analyst. So before I start explaining my work, let me give you a brief idea about the company where I am doing my job. I am working at Verification Technologies, and Verification Technologies is a trusted identity as a service specializing in identity verification and authentication through its patented solutions that utilizes AI, machine learning, computer vision, and biometrics. So the company they have their headquarters in New York City and is trusted by academic, government, and private sector institutions around the world. So Verificient ensures the integrity of online users and serve a variety of markets, which includes higher education, HR and recruitment, and remote labor force management. So in my job, I have been working on with Verification's client as well as with their products also. With all those things, let me like start by introducing to you the two things that I have been working on, the two major tasks I have been doing, which is identity verification and technical troubleshooting. In their ML tool, there is something called as Veripass. So in Veripass, what happens? There is a baseline profile for the test taker. So it is created with biometric scans, which includes face, ID, and knuckle scans, and which also includes identity ID verification. So I also check that if that test taker who is gonna give the exam is genuine or not. So what they basically called is the onboarding scan. So in onboarding scan, they do all these scans like face ID and knuckle scans and all that stuff. So what I do is I like check all the stuff like their identity verification and pass it on. Like after the onboarding scan, they proceed to the actual exam, and it is just like supporting. I know my like role is data analyst, but I also do like technical troubleshooting as well. So if the students if they are facing any issues with the Verification's product, which is called the Proctor track, if they are facing any issues with handling the product, or if they have some trouble getting started, so what I basically do is I like guide them that this is how it works, and I like tech there is like troubleshooting and stuff. So other than like working with their clients and their products, Verification Technologies, they have also encouraged me to build my skills and interest in the cybersecurity field, and they also gave me various tasks regarding cybersecurity to find vulnerabilities in their web products, and also conducted a meeting regarding their various security measures which they are going to implement. So I am like right now like I am building my skills in cybersecurity. I am aiming for the SOC analyst post or the VAPT post, and I've asked Verification about that stuff, and they told that they are going to implement some stuff, and then after that they are going to officially hire some people. So internal hiring would be preferred at most. So yeah. So these days the task I have been working on are as follows. So the first thing I do is identifying clients verification by analyzing his biometric scan. So as we discussed before, the second thing is verify or ML. It's nothing but machine learning clients data and give correct results based on instructions. The third thing is preparing reports on Excel of the results you got and informing on the GChat group about any mistakes or any issues. So if there are any like mistakes or issues going on, so we have to inform the ML and support team on the GChat group about that stuff. And the last thing is troubleshooting technical problems faced by clients and students, which we also discussed in the previous thing. So to conclude, I would like to thank Ajinkya D.R. Patel University, I nurtured, through whom I got introduced to verification technologies, and also for providing students with this job as part of the final semester. So this job has helped me gain a lot of knowledge and has also helped me connect with the subjects I learned in college. Thank you.